Traditionally, the tiles of walls are ceramic, whether maiolica or stoneware. But we forget that there is also another type of tiles, and these tiles are made of resin plastic and more precisely PVC. From an aesthetic point of view, GX walls plus tiles have already a basically concrete appearance, cement with a touch of very satiny, very soft. I would say the appearance of polished cement and exists in 7 colors, including 6 cement colors and 1 color which is more similar to slate. The surface of the tiles are coated with an anti-UV varnish, which ensures that the tiles do not discolor even when exposed to sunlight. The tiles are available in packs of 11, and each tile has the dimensions of 30 cm by 60 cm. A package covers approximately one surface of 2 square meters. The GX wall plus tiles are fitted at their edge of an interlocking system, a peripheral system that ensures that the tiles can be assembled without any difficulty, which ensures assembly and waterproofing. For a perfect finish after laying, the tiles are accompanied by 2 finishing profiles of 2 types, a corner profile that can be placed internally or externally, and a finishing profile. These profiles are available in 3 colors which can match with the color of the tile chosen by us. The profiles, such as the tiles, are laid with the adhesive that is a MS polymer mastic glue. You put a strip of mastic in the corner of the wall and lay the finishing profile so that it adheres to the glue strip. In the same way, I put a strip of glue on the wall and apply the finish in the same way on the mastic. To make the lay-in easier, the profiles are detachable. I can remove the inner part of this profile. I place the tile in the profile at the bottom with a pressure to the right. I press, and it is glued. Obviously, so that the tiles fit together, they must be always laid in the same way. You can see that there's a little bit of interlocking here, and a big interlock here, so we will always put tiles with a small interlock, for example, on the right-hand side. When you reach the end of the row, obviously, I measure the piece that will need to be added. 7 centimeters. Just line it up with the blade of a cutter, then follow the ruler slowly. I repeat 2 or 3 times, then I break it. Each piece will be glued, obviously, and I insert it in its place. So before I put the last row down, on the edge of the ceiling I'm going to glue the finishing rod after having opened it. I put a strip of glue like this in the upper part of the wall and glue the profile on the edge of the ceiling. To cut out the profiles, simply get good scissors. It will cut practically by itself. Once the last tile is laid, I insert the closing rod of the finishing profile. For fitting the taps, I measure the inlet and outlet hole of the tap in order to be able to drill the tiles. I put the tile in its place, here. Once the 2 walls have been tiled, all I have to do is close with the finishing gasket, that is the corner we have. There was a part that was fixed and there I close with the upper wand. This wand allows me to have both the aesthetic part, but above all it will be waterproofing. This wall is not completely vertical, I have therefore drawn a vertical axis that I need to align the tiles. So in this sense, if the floor was not horizontal, I would have drawn an axis horizontal. To finish the laying, I obviously lay the finishing wands here in the external corner. We have seen that in the peripheral part for the finishes, there were finishing profiles of internal corner and external corner, floor edge or ceiling edge. You can also, especially in the interior corners, make a finish with silicone putty, and here of course I chose a silicone putty cement colored like the tiles. The GX wall plus tiles are undeniably aesthetic, and we have also seen that they are very easy to install with their interlocking system, an interlocking system that is also totally waterproof, which makes it suitable for use in all rooms, including the humid rooms such as kitchen or bathroom.